Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a water bottle rocket.
So here are the only materials you will need. A hose with a nozzle at the end, a plastic bottle, and something to hold the hose in, though thin enough that it just holds in place. Now that you've got the hose in place, you can get your empty plastic bottle, take the cap off, hold the hose, well it's already in place but you need to hold it, put the bottle on and try and get it on pretty tightly. So just hammering down a few times will be good. Now that you've put your bottle in place and you're making sure it's not pointing sideways or anywhere where it's going to be near anything or anyone, you're ready to launch it off. So you just turn the hose on as fast as you can and